Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Yeah, man, D-Mac again. Another beautiful day in Jamaica. Yes. And guys, I'm in the kitchen again. And guess what? I'm going to give you a special today. I'm going to make you spicy pumpkin dumpling. Yes, with some tin mackerel, some lascot tin mackerel, and some baked bean. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this cooking show from D-Mac. Yeah, man. Okay, guys, so for my pumpkin spicy dumpling, I have some pumpkin already grated here. And this is what I'm going to put in the dumpling to spice it up. Some cock soup. Yes. And here's my flour over here, guys. Yeah. And my baked bean and my Lasco tin mackerel. Alright, so for this one I'm not going to use no salt in this dumpling because the cock soup already having salt in it, so I'm not gonna use any salt. Alright guys. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in my cock soup in the pumpkin like that and get some of the spice to put in there. Yes, so I'm not going to use any salt as I said. Yeah, this is a spicy pumpkin dumpling. Yeah. Okay, so I can just mix up this. I can put a little bit more in there. Okay, just mix it up. And then I pour in my flour in there. Right, just like that, guys. And just combine the flour and the pumpkin together. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, you don't use any water in this mixture because the pumpkin already having the water already, you know. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is my dough well mixed now. Okay, so I'm gonna make my dumpling now, and I have my pot over here boiling up. Alright, look at that. So, and I put a little salt in the water there, guys. Yeah. Yes. Alright, so I'm gonna make my dumpling now and put it in. Okay guys, that is my dumpling over here. So my pot is boiling up, so I'm gonna put them in now. Yeah. Yes, my spicy dumpling, guys. Okay. Go in there. Okay. Wow. Alright. Alright, so cover up my pot and let my dumpling cook. Okay guys, my spicy pumpkin dumpling is cooked now. Yeah, looking yellow and nice there. Alright, so I'm gonna cook up my grease mackerel now and my baked bean. Yes. So over here I have some chopped garlic and also some chopped scallion, and I also have some bird pepper here guys, and some onion that I'm gonna cook up with my tin mackerel. Alright, and my simple natural coconut oil right here. Okay guys, I just pour in my oil in the frying pan there, so I'm just waiting on it to get hot. And guys, I'm gonna use my oregano to spice it up too. I forgot my sweet pepper here guys, and some tomato. Yeah, so I have some tomato and sweet pepper added to the ingredients here. Alright, okay guys, my oil is hot now, so I'm gonna turn the stuff in there. Yeah, and cook down that for a couple of minutes. Alright, so guys, when you're cooking down these tomato and stuff like that, if you don't want it to burn, you just skip a little bit of water in this and let it just steam down, like, you know. Yeah, just like that. And cover them up, let it steam. Right. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put in my tin mackerel now guys. Wow. Yeah. Just pick it up like that. Wow, look delicious guys. Okay, so pouring my baked bean now guys. Yeah, and just keep stir them up like that. Yes, and let him cook down like about 10 minutes, and slow cook down, you know. And you can taste it and put some more black pepper in it. I'm gonna taste it and put some more black pepper in there. Wow. Nice. Okay guys, my patty is finished. Yes, that is my mackerel with baked bean over right there, and that is my pumpkin spicy dumpling. Alright, I'm gonna dish out a plate now guys. Alright, yeah. Okay guys, that is my plate there with some pineapple syrup with ginger. Alright, so I'm gonna dig in now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. And please remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye from Jamaica.